Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle I will do in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, first day of the month, Monday, November the 1st, 2021. I've already done two puzzles, 3-star Sudoku and a binary puzzle. And this one, the last one, is a Tectonic with 4 stars. 4 stars puzzles, I need 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. But this will be a number 3621. Okay, 3621. And before I start, I always count of printed digits. Wow. This one has 15 printed digits. 15. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but I think it's an easy one. Okay, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here we have the single box, and there we have a single box. Following question, can we see here the dual box? Do we have here any dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. No triple boxes, only a quadra box. And this quadra box, it contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions, whatever you name it. For example, the Z construction. Z, yes. Well, it's mirrored. The Z should be this way, yes. But it's the other way. But no problem. Let me draw this Z here. Let me draw this here. Yeah. Okay. The Z construction. And remember, if you see this Z construction or Z shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So let me draw this. Yes, here. And there's another box that has the same number, and there's this one. Yeah, it's the same number as that one. So in this case, it's a 5. Yeah, it's a 5. This box is a 5. Okay. Following shape, the L shape. The L shape. Let me draw this upside down, the L shape. Okay. Here we have the L shape. If you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another L shape. Here. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Alright. This shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. This box is the same number as that box. Do we have more in this puzzle? Yes. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Rotate it. In this case, it's a 2. Okay. Then the following shape. How about... yeah, this shape. This shape. Yeah. This shape we have here. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box is the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, this shape. This shape. Let me draw this. This shape. Okay. Let me. Remember that if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? Yes. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Upside down. Rotated. Okay, those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. There are more. I believe there are 6 shapes that you need to recognize, but we have here in this puzzle only 5 that you need to recognize. Then it's easy for filling the numbers. So the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. Let me see. How about these 3 boxes surround the 5? Cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those, 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. Okay. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes, wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me see. Yeah, a lot of thinking. Well. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1, 5, 3. So it must be 2 and 4. Yeah, we have a double 4 here. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot place any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this W area for the number 2. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this Z construction or shape. We have a 2 and a 3 left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Yeah. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. I'm missing here. Let me see. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Okay. Think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be so 2 or a 3. Alright. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 1. Okay, so the 1 goes in this box. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and a 3. But we already have a 3 here. So it cannot be a 3. This should be a 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area. Here we have a 2 and a 5. This box should be a 3. Okay, this box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Think. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2, but also this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 here. This box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box in this area should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Okay, these two boxes cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be here, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. One box left in this area for the number 5. Okay, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 5. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 5 here. The only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Yeah, this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this puzzle for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Oh no, 2 and the 3. Of course, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 and a 3. Almost made a mistake. The last box. 17 minutes. Is this really a 4 stars? No, because for a 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this a 3 stars? No, for 3 stars, I need 20 or 30 minutes to solve. So let me give this a 2 stars. Alright, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic. Playlists for the binaries. Playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.